Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at perfectly scaling shapes in Illustrator. I'm going to start with a rectangle. So I'm going to the rectangle tool and just drag out a small rectangle in the document. I'm going to click away from it. It's very important that I have no anchor points selected at all. What I want to do is to bring this point and this point in to an area somewhere around here, but I want to move them exactly the same amount. I'll go to the direct selection tool, this white arrow tool, and I'll select over just these two anchor points. They now have blue filled shapes here, and the anchor points over here are hollow. It's really important that you only have the ones selected that you want to move. I'm going to click on the scale tool, and then all I need to do is to drag in on these anchor points. We'll just drag in on one of them. As I drag in on one, the other one comes in with it. And so I'll just position it where I want it to be. Let's have a look at another example. For this, I'm going to create a sort of cross shape. So I'm going to make two shapes, and I'll just line them up together so that they're nicely centered. I'll go to the horizontal align center and the vertical align center tools. Now I'm going to just join these together to make a single shape. I'll do that from the Pathfinder. Just click here on Unite. So I have a single shape. What I want to do is I want to bring these two anchor points in. So I'll go back to my direct selection tool, make sure that nothing is selected. I'm going to select over these two anchor points. Probably the easiest way to do that is just to draw a rectangle over them. Just make sure that only these two anchor points are in the rectangle that you draw. Go back to the scale tool, and now when we drag in, we're going to move these two anchor points exactly the same amount. So you can choose any of these anchor points and move them together. Let's have a look at moving this one and this one. So I'll select over this one, and then I'll hold the Shift key as I click on this one, just checking that these are the only two that are filled shapes. Go to the scale tool, and then I'll drag on this, and you can see that these are moving in the opposite direction to each other, but they're moving the exact same amount. So you can use this scale feature in Illustrator to move anchor points to create quite complex shapes. Now, before we finish up this video, I have more Illustrator training at Skillshare.com. When you sign up for Skillshare, you get access to thousands of classes there, including over 200 of mine. In the description below is a Skillshare coupon for you, which is at least as good as the current Skillshare offer, and typically mine is better. I also have Illustrator training at Udemy.com, and there's a referral link for each of these courses in the description below. Please feel free to share these with family and friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. I'm headed towards 50,000 subscribers. I'm looking forward to getting there really soon. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.